Hello friends, welcome to Standard 10th Geometry, Chapter 5 Coordinate Geometry. In today's class, we will be studying exercise 5.2 centroid formula. In the same exercise, we have already studied section formula and midpoint formula. Suppose the coordinate of the vertices of a triangle are given and we want to find the coordinate of the centroid of the triangle. Let the triangle be ABC, where A coordinate is x1, y1, B coordinate is x2, y2 and C coordinate is x3, y3. If AD is the median and G is the centroid, then D is the midpoint of segment BC. So using the midpoint formula, we can calculate the coordinate of D as x2 plus x3 whole upon 2, y2 plus y3 whole upon 2. We have studied already that the centroid trisects the median. Therefore, segment AD is divided into the ratio 2:1, that is AG is to GD is equal to 2:1. So, according to the section formula, the coordinate of G will be as follows. The x coordinate will be 2 whole into x2 plus x3 whole upon 2 plus 1 into x1 whole divided by 2 plus 1. On solving, I will get x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole upon 3. In the same way, the y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole upon 3. So, in short, if x1, y1, coordinate x2, y2, coordinate x3, y3 are the vertices of a triangle, then the coordinate of the centroid are coordinate x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole upon 3. This is also called as centroid formula. P34. In this question, we have three sub-questions. First sub-question says, find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are minus coordinate minus 7, 6, coordinate 2, minus 2 and coordinate 8, 5. So let these coordinates be A, B and C and we'll call them as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Let point G be the centroid. So using centroid formula, x coordinate will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole upon 3. If we substitute the values as minus 7 plus 2 plus 8 whole upon 3, we'll get the answer as 1. In the same manner, the y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole upon 3. On substituting the values, we'll get 6 plus minus 2 plus 5 whole upon 3 and the final answer will be 3. Hence, we can write the final statement as the centroid of the triangle is G coordinate 1, 3. In the same manner, we can do the second sub question as well as the third sub question. Now we will solve P35. Question says A coordinate h, minus 6, B coordinate 2, 3 and C coordinate minus 6, k are the coordinate of the vertices of a triangle whose centroid is G coordinate 1, 5. Find h and k. In this question, h and k are the variables. As G is a centroid, let A coordinate, B coordinate and C coordinate will be x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, while the centroid G will be x, y. So using centroid formula, that is x coordinate equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole upon 3, if we substitute the values, we'll get the value of h as 7. In the same manner, if we substitute the values of y in the y coordinate as y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole upon 3, we'll get the value of k as 18. Therefore, h is equal to 7 and k is equals to 18. P36. Let A coordinate in triangle ABC, G coordinate is -4 comma -7 is the centroid. We'll call it as x comma y. If A coordinate is -14 comma -19, we'll call it as x1 comma y1, and B coordinate is 3 comma 5, we'll call it as x2 comma y2. Then find the coordinate of point C, we'll call it as h comma k, that is x3 comma y3. Using centroid formula, we know that the x coordinate will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole upon 3, and y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole upon 3. Here x3 is h and y3 is k. On substitution, we'll get the value as -1 comma 7. P37. Find the coordinate of the centroid of a triangle if the point D -7 comma 6, E coordinate 8 comma 5, and F coordinate 2 comma -2 are the midpoints of the sides of that triangle. Now we do not know the name of the triangle, so let us assume that the triangle is ABC, and the coordinate of the vertices of this triangle is A coordinate E comma F, B coordinate G comma H, and C coordinate I comma J. And segment AD, segment BE, and segment CF are the medians of this triangle, and point G is the centroid. Now look in the figure, we can see that the triangle is ABC, DE and F are the midpoint representing on the respective sides. Point D is the midpoint of segment BC. So using midpoint formula, that is x is equals to x1 plus x2 whole upon 2 and y is equals to y1 plus y2 whole upon 2. We can substitute the values. -7 is equals to g plus I whole upon 2. We'll get g plus I as -14. Equation 1 we'll call it as. Same way h plus j is equals to 12. We'll call it as equation 2. In the same manner, point E is the midpoint of segment AC. So using midpoint formula, we'll again get two equations, one for x coordinate and one for y coordinates, as E plus I is equals to 16, we'll call it as equation 3. F plus j is equals to 10, we'll call it as equation 4. In the same manner, point F is the midpoint of segment AB. Using the midpoint formula, again, the x coordinates we will get E plus g is equals to 4, we'll call it as equation 5. F plus h is equals to -4, we'll call it as equation 6. Now adding equation 1, 3 and 5, which are all x coordinate, that is g plus I is equals to -14 plus E plus I is equals to 16, E plus g is equals to 4, we'll get 2E plus 2g plus 2y equals to 26. Take out 2 common, divide it on the right hand side, we'll get E plus g plus I is equals to 13. Now this will be called as equation 7. Just now we added the x coordinates, let's add the y coordinates. Adding equation 2, 4 and 6, that is h plus j is equals to 12, f plus j is equals to 10, f plus h is equals to -4. We'll get 2f plus 2h plus 2j is equals to 18. Take out 2 common, divide it on the right hand side, we'll get f plus h plus j is equals to 9. We'll call it as equation 8. Now point G is the centroid, so using centroid formula, x is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole upon 3, that is E plus g plus I whole upon 3, it is 13 upon 3. Y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole upon 3, that will be equal to f plus h plus j whole upon 3, which is equal to 9 upon 3. We got the value of 3. Therefore, the centroid of the triangle is coordinate 13 upon 3, comma 3. In short, we can write the answer as follows. That's all. Thank you.